Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see how to prepare fried biscuits. For the biscuits, we need 1 cup of whole wheat flour. To this, add half a cup of powdered sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. This is unsalted butter. Now let us crumble this. Once everything got mixed well, your flour will be like this. Now let us add enough water and knead this into a soft dough. Take time and knead this properly. Your dough should be very soft. So here it is ready. We are going to roll the dough, so dust some flour on the surface and make it ready. Now divide the dough into 2 equal halves. Take 1 half and start rolling it. Don't press too much, you have to roll this little thick. Your dough has to be thick like this. Cut the corners, shape this as a rectangle. Here we have shaped it. Now let us cut this into smaller pieces. Here the pieces are ready. Now take a pan, pour enough oil for frying. For the recipe, I am using Idayam Mantra groundnut oil. Once oil is hot enough, we can fry the pieces. The biscuits are a little thick here, so you have to cook this in low to medium flame. Turn the biscuits to the other side and cook them until they are golden brown. Here the biscuits are ready, we can take it out now. Allow it to cool down and transfer this into an airtight container. You can store this for weeks. The biscuits will be soft and crispy and will taste so good. This is easy to do give a try. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do share, like and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.